Good evening, guys. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, December 7 to 9, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. And we will begin with our update to show to you the latest on low pressure area 92W. It's now starting to develop over to the south of Palau, and it looks like it's going to give a wet weather across the Bicol region and Visayas this coming weekend. So let's be prepared with this weather system. Most of the computer models are intensifying it either as an active LPA, a tropical depression, or even a tropical storm. So it depends on what will be the development of the system based on the computer models that we are going to observe in the coming days. Let's hope and pray it will not intensify as a strong cyclone, because it will bring some damage across the eastern sections of the country. We're still praying that this system will not push through, but either way, it will bring rains and thunderstorms over Bicol region and Visayas, particularly the eastern Visayan area of Leyte and Samar. So let's be prepared, since we are still on a La Nina condition climate, so we expect rainfall to be associated with this low pressure system. So right now it's located here, roughly around 1,000 plus kilometers east-southeast of Mati City, Davao Oriental, and it's at less than 35% or low chance of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. And based on the computer models, this will bring the system over Samar and Bicol come Saturday and Sunday, and it will be a slow-moving system as it approaches Aurora province of Eastern Luzon on Monday or Tuesday, December 12 to 13. So this is a system that we are going to be having some preparation, because it will bring lots of rainfall across the areas that I've mentioned, from Aurora, Northern Quezon, Bicol region, down to Eastern Visayas through the weekend. Okay, right now on our latest graph sat, we have the surge of the northeast monsoon only over the areas of extreme northern Luzon, and we have a shear line bringing some rains, with which will be having some threat of flooding over Cagayan Valley. So we have another shear line here over the sea east of the Bicol region and the Samar area over the Philippine Sea, but this shear line will start to move across eastern Visayas and Bicol region within the next 24 to 48 hours. So expect rainfall beginning tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday through Monday. That will be now the rainfall associated with 92W. So folks, let's be prepared. And we still have a high uncertainty if it will become a strong tropical storm, a tropical depression, or just a low pressure area. So we are observing all the data from the global computer models, what will be the true forecast of this weather system, and we will peg it with less than 3 days to go, but right now it's still 5 days to go, so changes will still occur. Let's hope there will be a strong frontal system that will come by or pass by within the next 5 days, so that 92W will start to move towards the northeast. But so far, based on the model, it will linger along the Bicol region and eastern Luzon come Sunday through Tuesday. So that will be a problem, since it may generate heavy rainfall across our areas. So so far we will keep you updated on that one. Here's the latest fast animation. There you go. still broad and slowly organizing. The possible center is somewhere here right now to the south-southeast of Palau, roughly around 6 north, 136. And we are going to monitor that closely. Here's the zoom in satellite animation for the past 6 hours. You can clearly observe here the very broad cloudiness of this low pressure system. The shear line is set to approach eastern Visayas and the Bicol region within the next 24 hours. So expect on and off rainfall across our areas. And if we take a look at the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Saturday, rainfall will be expected. These are moderate to heavy rains over Mindanao, Visayas, and along the eastern sections of the Bicol region. This is now due to the shear line plus the approaching low pressure area 92W. And here over Cagayan Valley along the northern coastline of Cagayan, we have the effects of the shear line. Now let's take a look at the pressure and wind forecast. Let's begin with the American model. And I'm going to show you now the effects of LPA 92W or the track of it. We are going to issue our T2K or Typhoon 2000 official track once the system upgrades into a tropical depression, but so far it's still a low pressure system. So by tomorrow afternoon, based on the American model, it will become an active LPA. And on Friday, it will develop into a tropical depression or even a weak tropical storm, accelerating west-northwest towards eastern Samar. That's Friday, 4 p.m. And on Saturday, 4 p.m., it will be in the vicinity of Bicol region, along Albay or Camarines Sur, as a tropical storm. And it will slow down because on Sunday afternoon, it will still be over the northern coastal areas of Camarines Norte. So it will be quite a slow moving system, and it could become a severe tropical storm based on the American model. And we have another surge of the northeast monsoon, bringing gusty winds of up to 70 kph across extreme northern Luzon. And on Monday afternoon, it will start to move along the offshore areas of Aurora province near Casiguran as a tropical storm as it interacts with the northeast monsoon and possible the development of another shear line here, and it will start to dissipate. By Tuesday, December 13, it will weaken into a low pressure area or be absorbed into that shear line. So this is the remnant now to the south of Pangasinan or south of Zambales. Now let's shift our attention using the European model. Thursday afternoon, it will become an active LPA. Friday afternoon, it will still be a low pressure area approaching eastern Visayas, eastern Samar area. Saturday, On Saturday, December 10, it will accelerate to the northeast of Catanduanes, very close to the northeast of Catanduanes, roughly 50 kilometers away. And it could become a tropical depression. And on Sunday afternoon, it will still be a tropical depression or even a weak tropical storm, moving away from the coastal areas of northern Bicol. And on Monday afternoon, it will start to make landfall over northern Aurora or eastern Isabela. And on Tuesday, December 13, it will be absorbed into the shear line, okay, or frontal system. And its remnants will move to the southwest, causing central Luzon. So that's the forecast from the European model. So the possibility of becoming a tropical cyclone is becoming increasingly higher, and it's likely to become a tropical depression or a tropical storm. And to wrap up both of the models, let's begin with the European model. The European model shows the system moving this way, and that way, while the American model moves the system this way, here, then upon hitting here, it will again also move towards the southwest. So it looks like there could be a landfall over Central Luzon, and it's a track that will move uphill and downhill upon crossing Central Luzon. So based on the forecast, it's still at 30 to 50% probability as of this time, since it's more than 3 days. So we'll wait and see. Let's hope changes will still occur within the next couple of days as the system moves closer. Our only hope that a strong frontal system will pick it up and recurve it away from the Philippine Islands, but that's not going to happen as of now compared to yesterday. So let's hope and pray that this will be just a weak system. But the problem is the rainfall. If we take a look at the rainfall situation on this system, let's take a look at this rainfall forecast. Beginning Saturday, there could be some on and off moderate to heavy rainfall already across the Bicol region, and on Sunday until Sunday. Okay, by Monday, the rainfall will be more concentrated along the areas of Cagayan Valley and portions of northern Luzon, Nueva Vizcaya, Nueva Ecija, Isabela. So please take all necessary precautions based on the European model, since they are very good when it comes to rainfall forecast. But it's still 5 days to go, so changes will still occur. And on the afternoon of Monday, it will be over Cagayan Valley, so expect heavy rainfall over that area. So those who are viewing our video from Cagayan Valley, please take all necessary precautions on Monday, because that's the forecast from the European model. American model is also the same. So the probability will be increased to 30 to 50% of happening, and let's hope changes will still occur. So over the Bicol region, rainfall will start tomorrow afternoon, becoming more frequent on Friday, Saturday. The peak of the rainfall will be on Saturday and Sunday, and on Monday, improving weather will be expected. Okay, so that's the latest for today. Tomorrow we will be returning, and a possibility of a special coverage on this LPA 92W. And if Pag-asa upgrades it into a tropical depression upon entering PAR, it will be known locally as Rosal. That's the new name, replacing Reming way back in 2006, but it's not yet been used. It's the first time that it will be used, since this is only one of the few years that we reached letter R. So please take all necessary precautions, and we will keep you updated by tomorrow. This is Mike Padua saying good night. Stay safe always. Let's all pray, and thank you so much for watching our channel.